Alright guys, disclaimer, I'm no berryologist or nursery professional. I'm just a hickey in the woods of Florida, and this is how I do it, and it works for me. This is a wild blackberry plant out in the woods in Florida. I mean, we have them everywhere. They're all through here in the bushes. You got the old ones that'll give berries, and then you got the new cane shoots that are coming up, and these are what we transplant. John, if you will. Today we're going to show y'all how we dig them up and how we plant them and get them ready for next year. We're going to be planning on putting goats back here in our back pasture, so they'll eat all these up. No time I won't have none, so we're going ahead and transplanting some now, and we'll have them for future and later years down the road. We'll plant them on a fence line or something. But been looking on YouTube and I ain't seen nothing about any Florida wild blackberries or transplanting them or anything, so I figured we'd give y'all a show how we do it. So there's a main root that goes across, and that's what we're looking for. So like I said, you'd think we was out here in the middle of the woods somewhere, but actually out here by our pig pen. Just got all this built and put up for them. Mama here had us some babies. Hey Joy. Hey baby. You come talk to the camera too? And tell everybody hi? Huh? Good girl. Hey babies. Y'all hiding up in the shade, huh? Hiding up in the shade. Hey there. Hey there. Yeah. You're not camera shy either. I had to put that blackberry bush back. They'll be trying to eat it. Alright, we'll see y'all when we get up to the table. Alright guys, back up here at the table. Show y'all how we plant them. I like to put a little bit of hay in the bottom of my bucket so one's a weight, it keeps the soil in, doesn't let it run out so much. We got here hog manure compost. One thing about having pigs, you got plenty of compost. But all natural, organic, the way we're meant to have it. Ain't meant to have all the chemicals and fertilizers in it. Let's clean this one up a little bit. Looks really good. So we cover up a little bit of good soil. Pack some more straw in around it. It says over there to be water. I'll do one more here for y'all. We'll just a little bit of hay. You don't have to do a lot. Just, make a little mat. Stay wet and keep water in there in case you forget the water a day or so. This kind of soaks up a little bit of water and won't let your plant die on you so fast. I know what life's like. It gets busy sometimes. More compost. This one right. See, we're leaving these little nodes here. These will come out and that'll be your plant. This will give the chance, cutting it back like this gives a chance for the roots to take hold. Get a good root system before you worry about growing the plant. The way I look at it, the way I think about it's worked for me. Like I said, I'm no berryologist. Just a simple man here in the woods trying to do something. Stay busy. Alright guys, that's how we transplant our blackberries. Until next time, here at Big Country Farms, we wish y'all all the best and God bless. Oh yeah, one more thing, a quick little update. We're going to try to do our fodder like this year. So far it's been so cold that the seeds ain't wanting to germinate or sprout yet, but we'll keep y'all updated on this, how this works. I'm also planning here later, probably towards the end of the year, maybe building a building just to grow it in. Either or. We got a lot of plans here. We're still working at it. Later.